Hey there, welcome back friends. In this video we will try to understand the overall overview of Maven real quick. Now friends, if we check the official website of Maven, which is maven.apache.org, the official documentation will say Apache Maven is a software project management and comprehension tool based on the concept of project object model POM. Now friends, definitely Maven is a useful tool which is also helpful in managing the project. Now let us try to understand the manual way first of all. Now when we create a usual Java project, what happens is we may require multiple jar files, and there are like multiple jar files already available to us. We can download these jar file and use them accordingly. Now whenever we would like to use any of the jar file, what we do is we keep all of these jar file attached into our build path so that we can use those in our project, and using these specific jar files we can definitely execute our application. Now friends, now there could be a scenario of dependency. For example, a jar file needs couple of other jar files and there are like dependency. Now when it comes to dependency, we need to also add the dependent jars in our build path, right? So we need to take care of all of these dependency when we are doing all of these jar keeping thing manually in our Java application. Now this is the scenario where Maven can be very useful. Now these dependencies and keeping an eye on all of these dependencies would be done automatically if we are making use of Maven. Now when we make use of Maven, we need to specify the dependencies on pom.xml file. Now if there are some child dependencies, definitely Maven will take care of it. Moreover, Maven will also take care of the build path, and the build path would be created automatically for us. So that's amazing. Now how to create a Spring Boot project using Maven is something which we will see in our next video, and we will definitely make use of Maven in our forthcoming videos. Now friends, we are also planning a short Maven based course, so you can check our courses and you may find a Maven based course in our courses already. Alright, so this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.